Okay, how are you guys? So today, still we are continuing on functions in Python, but it is perfect or it's a great move to understand special symbols and syntax in Python. Uh, while we are going to make our journey smoother. I mean this learning journey. So especially before diving into functions deep, let's break down most common ones. At least you have seen some common arguments, symbols and syntax. So let's try to understand them. Let's say, let me comment out this. You have seen this. You have seen this. This F string. This F string. Or is called formatted string. Like before. Before you write F before starting or inserting variables directly inside the curly braces or curly brackets or curly braces. Not so. Let me say an example. You have a name. Let's say have a name. Call the Ashraf. My name is a string. Okay, when you're calling this variable altogether, let's print it out. Print hello. So before writing hello, you first write this F string, then you write this curly braces, then and you start, then you say hello. Let's say hello, and then you call your curly braces, then you call your name all together. Then when you run this, hello Ashraf, all together. When you're calling the function, the word, the variable, and others, when you call it using these curly braces, you first use this F string or formatted string. So the output is there. You have seen it. So there are other, let's say, arguments. You write then register. So you'll be having more numbers, yeah, like in a double. Like you'll be having different numbers, but you are not so specific. How many numbers do I have? Like you'll be having more than 10. You'll be having more than 20. You'll be having much more numbers, but you don't know the specific value. So you just call these arguments. Let's write a function here. For example, like let's add all. So which all? So we just call the argument. Just call the argument. Call the arguments. Then you enter the function all together. Then you print arguments. Let's print these arguments. All together. Then we return sum of arguments. Return sum of arguments. All together. Now let's call our function. Let's call our function. Let's call it by printing it. Print add. Our function is called add all. Then let's enter the arguments you have seen. We have 6, you have 7, we have 8, and you have like 7. Okay, let's run this code and see. I think you pass the number of arguments you want, like you don't specify here, just but you have a lot of arguments. So that star args when you don't know how many arguments will be passed in, or you are not sure. That's how it works. So let's go to another syntax. Let's say star quags. These are like args, but they are named or known arguments altogether. So they packed into dictionary. Let's create a function here saying that show information. We pass the arguments, but we know they are named and they are packed in the dictionary. Let's show information for what? Let's say we are going to pass known arguments. Quads. Let's enter this function. No, it is R. Quads. Let's enter this function. Okay. Then let's print this arguments. Print this arguments. Let's say print quags. Known arguments. Is that the word? The spelling. Guy is warning me. Then let's call our function show information, and then let's call it name. Name equals all together #. Then job I'm doing. Let's say blogger because I'm not a blogger. Guys, but I want to be one. Okay. What's this? You're using capital letter. Let's call this, and we see quags used like to pack the words. Now this is a key value format. This is our output. So this you'll be seeing this syntax or symbols in our functions. So colon used to enter the definitions of function, used to enter loops, used to enter conditions, if statements, and others. So that one I won't say it. Colon. This is the colon, and it entered this function altogether. Then hash is used to comment. This is hash, is a comment. Are you seeing? Then there is a list or list indexing. Use the square brackets. Then dictionaries and if strings, use curly braces. This one, this curly brackets. Sorry, curly braces. How do you call them? There is also parentheses, these normal brackets. Then I told you about when you are writing, you want to skip a line, go to another line. You say you type backward slash this one, and then you go to a new line. Then you are tabbing, you write this and write T all together, and many others. So let's continue with our course with a new video. Thank you very much. Today we're going to look at functions and we're going to understand them. Thank you very much. Let's continue with our course with a new video. This is a short video. I was explaining to you these arguments. So the next video I'm going to create a new file because this is congested. Someone can't learn. You become confused. Not so. So I'm going to create a new file, then we continue with our functions. Thank you very much. So let me close these ones. App.py, if statements. Let me also close this. Hey, let me leave.